Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. Let's explore our new scatter system with more examples. This time we will use our Ganesha sample scene and try some pre-made scatters from the library on it. Remember that you may use our optical zoom feature for close inspection of details without needing to move the camera to navigate the scene. Let's try some scatter scale or density adjustments that better suit the look we are after. Let's try a different scatter setup and play with the source material. Now let's see how to populate a model with fibers from scratch. From the scatter sources library we will drop 3 wool-like fiber objects. Let's create a default scatter modifier and drop it on our subject. Now let's plug the 3 fiber objects as sources. Let's work on the scale, which is huge by default in this example. We will use per square density until we get a fluffy distribution. The rest of attributes work fine here by default. Let's try some random scale edits to see what effect they have. Now let's apply different materials to the sources and see what happens. Let's add a subsurface material to one of the sources. Let's drop the same material to one of the other sources and choose the reuse option so the same material is instanced instead of cloned. Now for fun, let's add an emissive material to the remaining source. Do not forget to hide the sources from the scene as they are usually not wanted outside the scatter population. We will increase the intensity of the emissive material. Now we will decrease the frequency of the emissive material so the non-emissive fibers have more prevalence. Let's create a colorgon map to give some random variations to the subsurface scattering of the solid fibers as if they were made of translucent rubber. Thanks to optical zoom and denoiser we may get near instantaneous results despite the scene's complexity. We will add some glare and bloom to the scene after increasing the emissive intensity a bit more. And here's how easily you can achieve attractive and otherwise super complex results in Maverick with our new scatter system. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.